Okay, welcome back, everyone. I'm not sure how to pronounce your name. Yarmila? Jarmila? Thank you for pointing out that the table on the slides had been mangled. I've got that fixed now, so you should have the correct slide. So now we're going to move on to our first exercise of the day. So this exercise is basically what I was just demonstrating. And now it's your turn to go through it, and you can experiment with the tester and the test filter. So let's take a look at my screen here. There we are. Just going to grab the starting workspace link that is in the lesson. There it is there. So I'm going to open up that workspace. I'm just going to demonstrate opening up the workspace just so you know that you have to or should. Otherwise, you're going to have to read in the parks manually, and that could take you a moment. So here's the starting workspace. Your job is to do some filtering based on, let's see, which one is it? Dog parks, just like we did. I won't bother demonstrating it again. I'll go through that. So please do the exercise, use conditional filtering. It says it's 15 minutes. So let's see, that brings us through to the top of the hour as well. So that would be 10:10, give you an extra 10 minutes for a break. So we'll continue at 10:20. Good luck, everybody. And remember, if you run into trouble, just request assistance using the raised hand, not the raised hand itself, but in the raised hand icon, there is the lab assistance button.